Hello traders, the title of the video is Build the Wall. US dollar Mexican peso trader does not pity a Mexican peso. We are looking at the dollar Mexican peso on the monthly chart, and I'm saying build the wall, build the wall. Mr. Trump said build the wall. Now, this to make you laugh a bit, in case you are from Mexico. You say, George, I don't believe you saying that, all right? It's a joke, all right? Build the wall. US dollar, Mexican trader does not pity the Mexican peso. So if you are trading the US dollar, Mexican peso, there is a wall that is already built around the price here. We don't need to build it anymore. It is a triangle, okay? You see the blue triangle, all right? This is the height of the triangle right there, all right? So if you are trading this, one thing I want to share with you, talking what we call parallel predictive fractal pattern trading, which means we are looking at a structure of another financial instrument to forecast what is likely to take place for another financial instrument. It's not an exact science. It's a probability. We use it as a guide. So when I look at by the way, if you want to learn more about predictive fractal pattern trading, you need to go to www.dayprotraders.com. Now I'm looking at the dollar yen. Can you see that? The difference is a dollar yen. Okay? So we have a structure here similar to the dollar Mexican peso. It's a dollar yen. And what I'm talking about, okay, is that you can see that we have that triangle here, blue triangle like the dollar Mexican peso that I already shown you. But the dollar yen, I'm going to remove this pitchfork tool so you can see clearly why I'm comparing both charts. The dollar yen found a support on the air. You see, it came down. Last move down, you see, it went down, got a long tail here. And then from there, it started going up. It's already crossing above the median line of that blue triangle. Don't forget what I said now. The dollar yen went from the top of the triangle, reaches the lower part. Now it starts going up from the lower part, heading to the top. And it has already crossed the median line of that triangle. All right? But there are similarities between this pattern of the dollar yen and the dollar Mexican peso. With that observation that I've made on the dollar yen, I can expect, I'm choosing my word carefully for those that want to gamble or speculate, all right? It's not gambling, it's not speculation, it's not guarantee, all right? We are talking about probability. There is a high chance that the dollar Mexican peso, slowly but gradually, will also cross, okay, that median line like the dollar yen, heading from the lower part of the triangle, going up there. Don't forget that the dollar yen has a long tail here. Be careful. Are they going to have this one also a long tail before we start going up? All in all, is a consolidation place within the wall of Mexico. If you like to call it, this is the wall, the triangle. So Mr. Trump, we have already built the wall. It's a triangle. So the border here between the dollar and Mexican peso is already been built. We don't have to build it anymore, all right? So it's a consolidation play. Traders are selling at the top of the wall of the triangle here, okay, using a different time frame trading method, and they are buying on the lower part of the wall, okay, here, right here, using a different time frame trading method. So now, right here, there are buyers here, but the mistake that people are making is that they just buy. No, that's not the best way. You too search the phrase mastering top-down trading method at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. There is a playlist, and you want to watch that playlist from 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. So you may also understand what we call a top-down trading method. To trade like a pro is to use consistently the top-down trading method. So we are here now. This is a bullish trading setup in the vicinity of the wall of Mexico. All right? So We go to the daily chart. We want to investigate. All right. So we have a kind of gentle double bottom near the wall of Mexico. Talking about Mexican peso. Am I pronouncing it correctly? Peso? Is it peso or peso? Peso, George. It's a Spanish word. Peso, George. What are you talking about? I need to talk to my Spanish friend. Peso. Okay. So we have that inverted head and shoulder chart, double bottom chart pattern. This is good information here. It's nice to see bullish chart pattern on the lower part of a consolidation. And now it breaks above, it breaks the neckline of that small double bottom. And now it's retesting it here on the daily chart. Some people are buying here. Break it above, retest. It's okay. Now we go to the daily chart. We go now to the hourly time frame. We see a bearish chart pattern. You say, Joe, what's going on? What's going on, Joe? What's going on, George? Now you see on the daily chart, you have boldly trading set time. On the daily chart, we see a double bottom. Now on the hourly time frame, we see a triangle. How do we handle that? A trader asked me that question recently, and I will be posting a video soon to answer that question, okay? Concentrate on the market pattern. So as things stand now, okay, here it is. Though it's bullish on the, we are on the edge of it on the, all right, monthly chart. On the daily chart, we see that double bottom, the price retesting the neckline, or that double bottom, that's the neckline here. Testing it, all right. I want you to, on the hourly time frame, draw this trend line. Just draw it roughly like this, okay? All I will say to you, be careful now. So people bought is touching that trend line here, prior to bullish signal, okay? Bullish signal above that trend line only, and prior to bear signal below it. If you are buying it here, be careful, okay? I want to break it below that trend line to retest it, or to form another, to pull back again, form another, take a step back before running up. We will see whether you will do that or not, all right? But if he break below this neckline, find a resistance, you are selling it, be careful. Why you should be careful? Because on the daily chart, it's still a little bit bullish, all right? But the neckline is the dividing zone, dividing line between the bullish and the bearish. So let's say bull, retest the neckline on the daily chart right here. We will see whether it will stay above that support level. On the hourly time frame, it's looking a little bit bearish now. Another trend line that you can draw also on the hourly time frame is this one here. Do we have again a triangle? Or? Okay. So see this trend line. Draw them on the hourly time frame. So probably they'll push it all the way to the top and then bring it back down, and then slowly you escape it nicely. Gently, 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 gently. All right? So I talk about the similarity between the dollar yen on the monthly chart and the dollar Mexican peso. The dollar yen is ahead of the dollar Mexican peso. Sometimes you may see that there is a discrepancy between chart that looks similar, but don't bang on it. Don't bang on it. Sometimes the price will do something completely different, which means it may go down instead of going up. It may go down first. I did the same thing with another financial instrument. Was this one, gold and dollar? Yeah, I think similar. I did the same thing on the monthly chart, and the gold dollar, US dollar, did something. Okay, it was doing something completely opposite first before it confirmed it. All right. So you want to be patient and don't trade against the market pattern, which is the triangle, or what I'm calling in this tutorial, the wall of Mexico. Consolidation play, people are selling on the top and they are buying at the lower part of the triangle. There is a median line which is right there. Okay, low for trade, bullish trade setup, which I already discussed with you. If one day, this is a very important point, the dollar Mexican peso goes above the triangle, breaks above and finds support, The midpoint target is at 22206. 22206. That's the midpoint target. The ultimate target is now in uncharted territory. So all I did is, you see here, this low here, vertical line to the top there, all right? See this. So just draw it roughly, all right? Okay. And then I project it at the breakout point. If the breakout is taking place one day, the midpoints there, the ultimate target is somewhere there. If you break below it, because when you have a triangle, anything is possible. It's a pressure zone. Some people are selling, some people are buying. So one group will win. Now, because it was bullish before, we will say that there's a high chance that it will break above it. But you don't want to just take one side. That's why I prefer that you adopt a prudent approach, which means you are ready to buy, you are ready to sell. Best place to sell at the top, best place to buy at the low. If it will continue like the dollar yen, there are similarities. If we pop below it for the resistance, midpoint target 17117, ultimate bearish target 15346. Note them down if you are trading them. Draw also the median line of the triangle. All in all, by mapping up your chart, setting the midpoint target, the ultimate target, another midpoint target, bearish midpoint target, bearish ultimate target, all you are doing, you don't want to violate the market pattern. You see, when I went to the daily chart, what did I do? Okay, you see, working with a pattern. It's still a consolidation on the daily chart. You see a bullish chart pattern here. It's about the neckline. We take that into consideration. As we switch to the hourly time frame, okay, we see a kind of head and shoulder chart pattern here. Because the daily and the monthly are more bullish, you need to be careful about this bearish chart pattern. So we draw that trend line, one step at a time. Look for trading setup on here, a key level. Understand that the market pattern precedes anything else and will determine the appropriate strategy that we will deploy. It's a consolidation play. And do not forget that that's what is in place. So any strategy that you are deploying, whether on the hourly time frame, daily chart, remember that it's a consolidation play. People want to buy from the base and bring it to the top, and they will cross the median line first, and then when it finishes up above the median line, they will try to push it to the top. Looking at the dollar yen, there are similarities between the two. The dollar yen is a little bit ahead. The question now is, will the dollars Mexican peso follow the dollar yen like a puppet, or will it have also a long tail before going up? All in all, follow the trading drill. The trading is what? Find a high probability trading setup on the edge and then implement a top-down trading method to trade it without assuming anything. That is the only way one can control the risk, instead of just buy here using a call option, crossing fingers, leg, hair, arms, toes, and everything that you can cross, hoping everything will well. That's not the best approach. There is a method in place that will allow you to control it. So when you are using a different time frame trading method and the signal fell, you blink, you close that trade. There will be another signal, and then you take it again. Am I speaking too much today? 30 minutes, that's too long, George. Okay, so we have come to the end of this conclusion, talking about build the wall of dollar Mexican peso. A trader does not pity Mexican peso. So we have already built the wall. The wall is a triangle, Mr. Trump. You don't have to build another wall anymore, all right? Okay, Mexicans have already paid the price. They say the Mexican will pay for the wall, and now they pay for it. It's a triangle. It's to make you laugh a bit, okay? Don't be too serious, my friend. If this video has been truly useful to you, you say, Joe, this has opened my eye. Before I was blind, now I can see. Please give us your beautiful thumbs up, all right? However, you should say that, Joe, you are trying to impress me with the wall and also on. I'm not impressed. Mark it down. However, you say, George, are you kidding me? For the first time in your life, you have managed to produce something decent on YouTube, on Facebook. I will share it. And I really appreciate it when traders share our video. And I say to those traders, you are amazing beings. Thank you very much. Sometimes I'm posting video first on Facebook, like all my Forex video will be posted first on Facebook before YouTube. My Facebook page is stochastic-MACD. Sometimes I'm posting first on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel about Forex trading. Is 24 stock trader, digit 2, digit 4 Forex trader. Subscribe please, because it's a small channel. We are trying to grow up. Okay, help us please by subscribing and stay put, please. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about build the wall. US dollar, Mexican peso trader does not PT Mexican peso. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. If you want to learn more about Forex trading, go to www.stochastic-macd.com. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Any comment, any suggestion? Any currency pair you want us to analyze? Okay, let us know in the comment section. That's the only way we can record another video, okay? Don't sit quietly. Say something, please. Thank you.